How to add a shop to your Instagram account. Hey guys, if you want to set up a shop on your Instagram account, first, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Next, choose Switch to Professional Account and hit Next. Instagram will ask what type of account you want. Pick Shopping and Retail, and then tap Switch to Professional Account. After that, choose Business when it asks what type of professional you are, and tap Next again. Instagram will ask if you want to add an email or phone number. That's totally up to you. If you don't want to, just tap Don't use my contact info. Then it might ask if you want to connect to Facebook. You can connect it if you want, or just skip it. Now close it. Once all that's done, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Scroll down a bit and tap on Action buttons. Now you can set up your shop. Just follow the steps it gives you. When you're finished, tap Done, and boom! Your Instagram shop is all set up. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips.